How to change Google password on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Gmail application on your phone. Once you're here, tap on your profile icon in the top right corner. A menu will appear with your accounts. Tap on Manage your Google account. This takes you to your account settings, where you can control your personal data and security. Here, navigate to the Security and Sign In tab to manage your login methods. Scroll down to find and tap on Password. You will be asked to enter your current password to verify your identity. After verification, you'll be taken to the next screen. Enter your new desired password in the first field. Then, confirm it in the second field and tap on Change Password to save the changes. Following these steps, you can easily change your Google password on an iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.